Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome back to the channel. It is Don here from Pandemic Playgrounds, and today we are going to continue building our little industrial plant. And as you can see from the time lapse, I actually started using the smaller wheels with the smaller grid equipment. So let me show you guys around on what I did is, and as you can tell from the time lapse itself, I was having a little bit of trouble trying to make the other kind of lever system where I would bring it up to another area and then slide it back down. I tried to use the large grid, then I tried to make it with small grids, and I eventually stumbled across using small grid wheels with small rotors, and that seemed to work. Now I was able to actually like transport stuff. So if I was to put, say, something like this down here. Oh, that's a bad spot. I got to make a wall for that, but if I was to put something here, it will actually slowly move that item over to the end, and that's basically what I needed. Now this is actually on an incline, so I was able to put it on a little tiny hinge and a piston to kind of lift it up. So what that means is I'm actually gonna be able to get it to a higher elevation, which is going to be great because that's what I really need. It's too low to the ground right now, and I definitely need that higher elevation to do other stuff with it, like separate the materials. So my goal for this right now is to get it so I could at least get rid of the gravel, because I'm not building anything that will require gravel, and this is just going to be stored. So somehow I'm debating if I want to separate it now or separate it later, but I do have to get to a point where I have to get the materials to a higher elevation so I could do the separation. Now I'm not really a huge fan of this anymore with this coin pusher for the materials, because sometimes it actually gets stuck right here or it clangs right between the wheels. So I kind of want to make another set of these wheels right where the coin pusher is. So I might get rid of the coin pusher, do another grid like that and set it up, and it's not hard to do. So let's kind of do that now. Let's drop this piece, and let's drop this. All right, don't need that anymore. And I'm trying to come up with more ideas as far as like how I want to transport the materials. Once I get everything separated, I want to build a little vehicle or maybe a train or some sort of dolly to have it transport to another location, maybe over here where the assembler plant would be, or possibly make a conveyor system like this and transport it over there. I'm not sure yet which is the best way. So I kind of want to play around with that idea and see which one looks better, and basically go forth from there. All right, so what we're going to do here is put another rotor, a large grid rotor, get rid of this, and since I have build vision, I could just go in here and attach a small head, and also lock the rotor. Where's lock the rotor? Rotor lock right here. All right, and now I'm able to build whatever I need in small grid. And because it is actually at a pretty good position over here, let's bring that all the way down this way here as well. Technically, I don't need to go that far, so I might just stop it here. Do the rotors. That would be 6. Drag that all the way across. And start placing down wheels. 4 wheels would be good. Now, it's not going to be able to hop over that. I could tell you it might even fall, so I might have to lower this piston just a little bit to make it level, and then I'll do something around with this. This is not permanent. This was really a test to see if I could actually get it to a higher elevation, so I am gonna fix that up. But first I gotta make this. So let me get to control panel right here, and I'm gonna see a bunch of other rotors, which should be fine. I should start naming these things before it gets really confusing. Is it going the right way? Yes. All right, let's drop some materials in here. Let's drop it over here. All right, so that needs to be pulled back a little. So I'm going to select all the rotors again, and rotor displacement probably like that. Oh, that doesn't look good. Let's see. I think there's a lot of clang going on. It's because of this rotor displacement. So there we go. Ooh, that's sticking out too much. Okay, that's never going to make it because this thing's elevated. So technically, what I need to do is, how many blocks is this? 4, right? One, two, three, 4. Get rid of this. Then I would get rid of this whole aisle and make it start to go up. But before that, I could do that. Put up a wall in a sense so it doesn't fall off. Or put windows there. And let's try it again. Okay, falls right down. That's pretty good. Okay, so that kind of gets stuck. I might have to rethink my strategy a little. So I'm going to need more stuff. Like one item doesn't seem to be pushing very well. So yeah, come on, you could do it. I do need another wall here. Okay, what if, just as a thought, will it clang if I made a second set of rotors here? You know what I mean? Like to help push it bottom and top. Nope, it needs to go the other way. There you go. Build vision is so useful if you guys never used it, especially when you're building something like this, because you could just go to each item and set the properties without even knowing the name. Okay, so if I was to drop something here, it wouldn't squeeze through. Let's try that again. Gonna have to rethink this, huh? Okay, that was very unsuccessful. Alright, so if it's a material like that, it works. So, what are you guys' thoughts about this? Should I keep the coin pusher? I know we were trying to do that elevation thing with the corner pieces, but it really didn't work out very well because it doesn't get too high of elevation and there was a lot of clang. I felt that this was a little bit better, but it seems like it needs a little bit more. I'm not sure what yet. If it's something like that, it's so cool. It just works. Look at that. Alright, thoughts is to probably move the rotor to the outside and catch it like you would catch this way, because it seems to be getting stuck right where the rotors are. Okay, so I feel like this might work a little bit better. Rotor 22. And let's try that again. All right, so far it's pretty successful. It's moving down the belt. I mean, it's getting a little caught. Oh, transition is good. And then all I need is to put up a little wall. Well, this is not going to be here because I'm going to cut this off and make the elevation go up. But so far, it seems to be pretty good. All right, I'm going to leave it off like this for now and plan for that next feature to go up, so it makes it go up higher. That is going to be a longer episode on next time because I am going to finish this off. It seems to be pretty good. Oh, that's not spinning, so I'll fix that. This will come out a little so it catches, and then it'll go up in elevation. And then I'm also going to create the sorter for the next episode. If you guys have any ideas for how I could fix this or improve this, let me know down in the comments below. Maybe make it go downhill. I don't know, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this little thing with this new conveyor system using tiny wheels. If you guys have any questions, hit me up down in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.